Everybody, Courtney Smith here. Got a very important discussion here today. The world has been waiting for the Fed to tighten for months now. The Fed, generous Jerome Powell, came out and said, well, we're talking about tightening in 2023. And so the market relaxed. But the reality is the Fed has been tightening through the back door. Let's take a look at this chart right here. And this chart is a chart of reverse repos. Yes, very exciting, but exciting to me. Here's what a reverse repo is. A reverse repo is when the Fed sells securities to the banks, and the banks pay for those securities with money. So securities go to the banks, and the banks' cash comes to the Fed. Well, wait a second. That's tightening. That's reducing the liquidity in the system. That is tightening. Now, how much tightening? $1 trillion of tightening this year. Now, here's the crazy part. What the Fed is doing is that they are quantitatively easing $120 billion a month. That is to say, they're buying securities from the banks and giving them cash. Then they're turning around and doing reverse repos and taking it back out. So the tightening that the Fed has done without any word to the public has taken away 8 months of easing from the system. One other small point. They pay interest on this money. They raised it. As you can see, there was no reverse repos for a couple of years there. And basically, they were paying 0 interest on it. Now they're paying 5 basis points. 5 basis points is 0.05%. So 0.05%. Another form of tightening is raising the interest rates. So what we're seeing is a stealth tightening. The Fed doesn't want to draw attention to it. Maybe generous Jerome wants to be reappointed Fed chairman when his term is up next year, and this kind of action is not going to make him a happy person for Joe Biden. So maybe he's doing what he should do, which is to tighten because inflation is so high, but he has to do it on the down low. Now, what impact is this going to have? Generally speaking, all of the things being equal, and they never are equal, this is bearish for the stock market. This is bearish for the economy. This is bearish for gold. So, what do you need to do? Of course, subscribe to my newsletter, Wall Street Winners, WSW 2021, where I'll tell you specific trades to make money from this. But in the meantime, this is a big, big change in Fed policy. We're going to monitor it for you. We'll talk to you later.